Hello traders, this is Karthik from Nifty Analysis. I go by the name called the analyst on Twitter. So we have been getting too many emails on how to use Bhoomi FX. So here I am to throw some light on Bhoomi FX. Bhoomi has an amazing accuracy of 91.19%. We have backtested it on 2 years data on almost all the major and exotic FX pairs. So coming to the point, today I'm going to discuss three things: how to identify potential trades using Bhoomi, where to enter, and where to exit. Most importantly, today I'm going to teach you how to trade FX for a living. So when you trade with Bhoomi FX, how to generate maximum profits out of this. So before going further, I guess you all are aware about all these double arrows. I mean, like, you only trade them at the starting of the zone. You don't trade them in the white areas, which is the gray area. You're not supposed to do it. So anyways, so I'm going to tell you how to use this more effectively on 1 hour time frame. And as you see, I'm on this replay mode where you can see how it is going to work in real time. So let's play. So I'm going to come from Feb. So let's do it a bit fast. Yeah. So, okay, it's not Feb yet. Okay, so it has generated a sell signal. Here what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter on the open of this, which comes to 18 point something, like, okay, 18.802.80, so this is where you enter the trade, and this is going where you are actually going to go short. If I would play the game a bit safe, I would put my stop loss somewhere on the swing high here. Sorry. So I would be looking at this candle. I mean, like, whatever the entry candle, the same length of the same candle, which it already has given to you. But this is where I'm trying to tell you, like, if you trade a double arrow and on this candle, what you can expect is the same length of the candle. The target would be, if this is $10 move, so you're going to get the $10 move here. So I mean, like, I'm not saying the $10 on this, but just to make the math easy. So let's see what happened here. Okay, we are still in the trade, and as I said, this would be the target. You can actually move your stop loss to entry here, and you can just stay in the trade till this red zone is getting continued. We are still in the trade unless you have moved your stop loss to entry. Guys, this is still the sell zone. We haven't, see, there's again the sell zone. So that means, like, we are not looking for any fresh buys, and we can add some positions here, and the target would be here, this one. Now, I think I exit my position here, not because Bhoomi has given you something, but I think we have been in some good positions so far. And there's no limit to greed, guys. What I'm trying to tell you, the whole topic here is, like, how to make profits and how to trade Bhoomi FX for a living. So I would make an exit here because we had a good run. We had a swing low, we had a swing high, then it again gave back. But practically we are still in the sell zone, so I'm not going to look at any further buy positions. So let's see how this went. You can add fresh position here, this place where Bhoomi has generated you another sell signal. But as for the conservative traders, they should make an entry here when it gives you something on the starting of the zone, like this, somewhere close to this. This would be like, you can take a risk because you've already been in the profit. So let's see what happens. Okay, so we exit somewhere on the green zone and over here. So we had a good run from here to here. Let me mark this. Okay, so we had a chance from here, here to here, and if somebody would have waited, then again from here to here, and we are going to exit here at the starting of this zone. I think practically this is where. So this was the whole trade from 18.78794 to 18.66372. So it comes to some like 60 pips. I don't know, I need to calculate the pips. So anyway, so you enter now here the buy position, the open of this candle, and your stop loss would be somewhere close to this swing low. So let's see how this trade is going to go. Okay, as I said, this would be your starting, the length of this candle would be taken as the target. So I'm just giving you a manual reading. So it comes somewhere close to 18.76947. So let's see. Okay, we met the target and we are going to be in the trade. You can enter here and you can also add some positions here because this is again an entry candle for you. And even this entry candle has been, I think, done its targets. So let's see. Guys, whenever you see something like this in the middle of the zone, this is not your entry candle. I'm just telling you. I've been telling this to, I think, more than 35 to 40 subscribers so far, and they still ask me the same question. So please don't do this. Please don't do this. Please don't fall for this arrow. And we are trying to eradicate this part sooner or later in the next update. So as of now, you just ignore these double arrows in this no zone area. Sorry. Okay, so here I think we exit all our longs, and I think this was the target, and if you would have made an exit here, so by then even if some people who couldn't exit, yeah, you would have get out in a very small profits. So anyway, so our entry would be this candle and our target would be till here, 18.66370. I'm just manually reading this candle, the length of this candle. I'm just taking it manually till here. So let's see how it had played. Sorry guys, I'm not keeping well. Sorry for this cough in between. Okay, so I think it has reached till this point. So this is where I think I want you to exit, because this video is all about how to make money rather than being greedy. So but still this is till a sell zone. It is not a buy zone yet. So let's see if people were patient, what would have they been into, what kind of trade they would have been into. Let's see. Oh la la. Okay, this is where you would have entered your second trade, because it is the starting of the sex zone. So you may enter here, or you may add your positions here if you were continuing this, because this was the target which has already been done. But still, certain traders who are risky people like me, then they would have been in this trade and they would have ran all this wave. But I don't recommend this to all the conservative traders who wants to make money rather than experimenting on making money. So you can add certain positions here, and it has already given you something. So let's see how this sell zone is acting so far. So far so good. It's again sell zone. Okay, so okay, stop trading, you stop. So this is where we exit and we enter our long positions here. So it was not much of a move. We would have made some good money here, but not much of a move. But yeah, most important thing is we haven't done a loss, and more important than that is like we made some money on this. And this is our entry candle, this one, 18.65274. And when you see a entry candle on a small candles like this, like entry arrows on a small candle like this, you potentially wait till the red zone comes. And when you see the long candles like this, you just wait for this long candle to form, you know. So another candle like this would be your target. But when small arrows are there, you can actually run the wave. Small candles are there, you can actually run the wave. Let's see. Okay, guys, that would have hit us bad. This particular thing, our stop loss would be somewhere here, and still our loss was not that much. Anyway, so we would have taken an entry here. Let's see what happened to this sell zone. We're still in the trade, guys. Okay, we are practically in the trade. I think I'm still in the Mexican. I'm just holding this trade. So I hope I was clear. And if you have any queries, please get back to me at 6niftyanalysis@gmail.com. And my quant and Raksha and everyone would be available on the Twitter. So you can even talk to them. So that's the thing, guys. See ya.